Now here see grade 5 workbook page 43 and
43 and 44.
44. Both pages want to do today. Bring your workbook now.
Teacher, I make a presentation.
Yes.
Also.
Yes. Then after we complete this workbook,
Also.
very good. After we completed this page, 2 pages, I will give chance to
I am also.
Asimu, Setuja, Dixon, Linumi. 4 of you can show your presentations to others. Okay, but first I want to complete your workbook. Sharing, wait. Sasinu, you can show your presentation. Start, Sasinu.
Teacher, can you see?
Yes. I can see purple color picture. Now okay. Read the topic, Sasinu. Mic on. Now okay.
Unit 5. Let's enjoy sports.
Sasinu, you can tell if you want. Contains. This is my content.
Contains. First one, sports. Second one, dialogue. Third one, R. G. K. Karunanand. Fourth one, 100-meter running. Fifth one, Olympic. Sixth one, song 1. Seventh one, ing words. Eighth one, song 2. Ninth one, sports
Equipment. Sports equipment.
equipments.
Yes.
First one, sports. Workbook page 51 and 52. Lesson 5. Look and say. Tennis. Table tennis. Basketball. Hockey. Football. Cricket. Badminton. Second one, dialogue. Pupils book, page 59 and 16. Lesson 2. Read and say. So, what are you looking at? Varuni. It is a picture of our netball team. Sona.
Sonia.
Really? Netball is Sonia. Really? Netball is favorite game. Varuni. There are the 2000 years. Sonia, who is that tall player Ben? Varuni, she is a Tarjani Shivalingam.
Shivalinga.
Yes,
Shivalingam.
Tarjini Shivalingam. Tamil girl, Tamil lady.
Sonia, she is a very tall.
She is very tall.
Varuni, she was the world's best shooter in 2011. Sonia, hooray! It's our national team. Third one, R.G.K. Karunanand. Pupils book page 61 and 62. Look and read. Kumar made a speech about his favorite sports person.
Yes.
This is Marathon Karu. His name is R.J.K. Karunanand. He was a lucky loser. He took part in the marathon race at the 1964
64
Olympics.
Olympics.
He was ill that day, but he ran the race. Other runners soon overtook him, but he did not give up. He finished the race alone. Some people laughed at him. Others
But encourage him.
encouraged him. He did not win, but he won. He won the hearts of many people.
Hearts.
He showed the
Hearts.
real
Spirit of sports.
of sports.
Not to
Not-
win,
Not to win,
but to take part.
to take part.
Yes, good lesson from loser. Okay. Night later. Now show your objects. Satuja.
This is a fad. That are using. This is a gloves. This is a helmet. This is that.
Yes, that's all. Very good. Give a clap to Satuja also. He brings his
Teacher, I have
objects.
karate.
Show your. Okay, show. Now okay. Here, look at Sasinu's objects. Karate objects. Sasinu teacher nandane ne. You have to
This is a
explain.
gloves.
This is a gloves. Is it correct? Deka pennala. This is a gloves.
Those
This.
these are gloves.
Yes.
gloves.
Very good. Very good.
These are gloves.
This is a check guard.
Ah. Can you play karate, Sasino?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher,
බුදු
I am
අම්මෝ.
playing Angampola.
එහෙනම් බයයි නේද සසිනෝ?
Teacher, I am playing Angampola.
Ah,
Very funny.
very good, very good. It's very funny. Okay.
Teacher, I am karate. Mama sasnya ketinggalan.
Ah, එහෙමද? Good, good. That's all. Now, Setuja, share your.
Sekolah karate. Dan kumpul karena.
Ah,
Teacher, I am alone.
alone. Now, can you?
Okay, teacher.
Here, look at now Setuja's presentation.
Teacher, I want to read.
Yes, yes. Sure. Read.
Teacher, more than 1 hour going to read all.
No need to read all. Read only the topics.
Lot of them.
Ah. So, play it
Okay, teacher.
quickly. Only topics you can.
Sports. Okay, teacher. Sports. Cricket. About the cricket.
Yes, good.
Football. About the football. Volleyball. About the volleyball. Volleyball is our national sport.
Yes, sport. Yeah.
National sport.
Baseball.
Baseball. About the baseball. I like to be a cricketer in future. My favorite game is cricket.
Future.
Thank you.
Very good, very good. Setuja, future spellings here check. Future. Future spellings wrong. Spellings. E is missing.
Okay.
Setuja. Never mind. But very good. Give a clap to Setuja also.
Teacher, satu jane.
Ah, yes. Teacher, එක දැක්කේ. Yes,
Very
yes.
beautiful.
Yes, Setuja.
Very beautiful.
Little cricketer. Very beautiful cricketer. Handsome cricketer. Yes. Good. Okay.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Close the screen now. Now